Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up D-Link DAP-1520 Wireless extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the D-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug the DAP-1520 into a wall outlet, avoid power strips if possible. Wait 60-90 seconds for it to boot. The status/signal LED will stabilize, solid or slow blink depending on firmware. Locate the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. Press the router's WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. Don't hold too long, some routers treat a long press as cancel. The router's WPS light should begin blinking, opening a 2-minute pairing window. No physical WPS button? Use your router's web/app interface and click Start WPS, aka PBC or push button configuration. Within that 2-minute window, press the WPS button on the DAP-1520 for 2 seconds. The extender's WPS/status LED will begin blinking as it negotiates with the router. Wait up to 90 seconds. When pairing succeeds, the LED changes state, typically solid, or switches color. The extender's signal LED indicates link quality. The green means strong, ideal. Amber/orange means usable but weaker, okay, or red/off means failed or too weak, retry or move closer. Unplug the extender and move it halfway between the router and the dead zone, still within good signal from the router. Your D-Link DAP-1520 extender is now set up using WPS. You can now connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network. SSID will be the same as your routers, with _ext suffix. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.